Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to use VLOOKUP function exact match condition in Microsoft Excel. Before learning VLOOKUP exact match, first of all, let's understand what is in the data and what is the requirement. In this Excel sheet, I have a sales data of XYZ Distributors Private Limited for the month of January to June 2025. First column has the item ID, second column has the item name, and then the sales quantities from January to June 2025. From this source data, here in this table, I need to display the item name and sales quantity of the March month based on the item ID provided here in this cell. If I change the item ID here, then the name and sales of March should automatically change. In this case, we can use the VLOOKUP function because the VLOOKUP function will find out this item ID here in this item ID column. When this item ID is found here, then it will start searching in the same row and pick up the quantity from the column number we provide. If you see in this data, the March month sales is in the 5th column. We have to count the column index number, the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and 5th column. Let me show you the theoretical description of VLOOKUP by putting here equals VLOOKUP. Here you can see this is the theoretical description. VLOOKUP function looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table. It means the value we want to search must be in the left column of the table. As you can see here, we need to search the item ID, and this item ID is in the leftmost column of the data source. So this is a compulsory requirement for VLOOKUP, and then returns a value in the same row. When this value is found, then it will start searching in the same row from a column you specify, means the column index number provided. When we provide 5 in the column index number for the March month sales, then it will start picking the value from this column. By default, the table must be sorted in an ascending order, and this is not applicable for exact match condition. This line, by default the table must be sorted in an ascending order, is applicable for the approximate match condition, which we will learn in the upcoming videos. Let me use here the VLOOKUP function. Press equal to, then type VLOOKUP, bracket open. In the lookup value, we have to click on the cell where there is item ID, this one, then put a comma. In the table array, we have to select the entire source data. So select this whole data starting from the column headers till the last data. Then put a comma, and here in the column index number, provide the column number where there is item name. So here in this case, the item name is in the second column. This is the first one, this is the second one. So put a 2 in the column index number for item name. Then put a comma, and here you have two options. One is the approximate match and the other is the exact match. Here in this particular case, we are learning exact match. So double click on this exact match condition, then close the bracket, press enter. Here you can see the item name is displayed. For this item ID HA009, the item name is induction cooker. If you see in the source data, for this HA009, the item name is induction cooker. Now here in the March month sales, we have to again use the VLOOKUP function like this, equals VLOOKUP, open the bracket. In the lookup value, click on this item ID, put a comma. In the table array, select this whole source data, then put a comma, and in the column index number, provide in which column number the March month sales is. That is the column number 5. So put here 5, then put a comma. Choose exact match option by double clicking, or you can also put 0 for the exact match. Then close bracket, press enter, and here you can see 29 is picked up from this cell. The sales of HA009 for the month of March is 29 units, and here the same result is picked. Now if you change the item ID here, for example, let me change this HA009 to HA003. In this case, you can see the result automatically change. For this item ID, the name is microwave oven and the sales unit is 25 unit. So this is how you can use VLOOKUP function exact match condition in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this function, you can download this sample data from the link given in the video description section. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another video tutorial.